Do you want a magical glow up that will make you magnetic and attractive? Then get ready to have your goddess transformation. Let's get started. Before your physical looks, being a goddess comes from within. You need to activate your divine energy. Let go of the past and focus on the present. Focus on having a good time and on how your body and mind feels. Most importantly, know your worth. And affirmations are a great way to recognize your worth. Tell yourself, I am worthy of the things I want. I am a high-value woman. I am a divine feminine. You are valuable and so is your energy. Whether it's a situation or person, you need to tell yourself, is this worth my energy? Protect your energy by setting boundaries and letting go of negative energy that can come from a situation you're in or any toxic relationships. If the negative energy is coming from within you, then you need to work on releasing it so you can move on and be in a healthier mindset. Connect yourself with other women that have a positive energy to enhance your feminine energy. Now I will show you how to be magnetic. In order to attract, you need to stop chasing and learn to receive. When you chase, you will not get what you want. Why? Because you are acting out of desperation. You need to stop forcing things to happen, just let things come to you, and most certainly do not try to convince people to like you. Not everyone will like you, and that's okay. There's just some people that are not for you. Don't care about what they think. Tapping into your goddess energy means being calm and unbothered. Now that you know how to feel like a goddess, let's move on to looking like a goddess. Body language is a big factor. Having a good posture instantly makes you attractive. Use your femininity and move with elegance. Walking confidently is important too. When you walk with your shoulders back and poised, you embody elegance and strength, much like the goddesses of mythology who command attention without speaking a word. Let's move on to hair. Hair says a lot about someone. Do your hair in a way that suits you. A good classic blowout can make you look like a goddess any day. Or if you have curls, don't be afraid to show them off. Braids can also look very elegant. Moving on to makeup. A good goddess makeup consists of a natural-looking base with a bit of blush and shimmery eyeshadow. The lips can be done with a pink, brown, or even red lip color. Let's talk about style. Maxi dresses are a classic and can always make you look graceful. If you don't feel like wearing a dress, you can wear blazer pants or a long skirt with a simple top or a corset. Don't forget to top off your outfit with some simple jewelry. Lastly, connect with nature. Spend some time outdoors by taking a walk, running, or meditating. Feel the moment and calm your mind so you can be in your goddess energy. If you made it this far, don't forget to subscribe.